Badminton World Federation had yesterday named Manipuri badminton player Maisna Mairabaluang as world's ranked number 2 and Asian ranked number 1. This came in after a series of wins achieved by the young shuttler in international tournament over the past few months. Imphal West Police Commando arrested 3 active cadres of KCP from Bengaluru. The cadres were involved in money extortion from banks and contractors in Imphal. The cadres has been identified as Sarangthem Gyaneshwar Singh, also known as Gopeswar of Kongpal Chanam Laikai, Lairen Lakpam Manihar Singh from Lairenkhul Hailakandi, Assam, and Thangjam Nantakishore Singh of Jaribon, Porbokiten, Part 2, Hailakandi, Assam. New gas connection scheme was launched today at Moirang Philem Laikai by Moirang Kendra Progressive Front. 5 out of 65 beneficiaries were provided with gas connection. Dhubri district of Assam has topped in the financial inclusion among the list of 14 aspirational districts of the Northeast. According to reports, the ranking was given by the government think tank Niti Aayog. Dhubri has achieved 100% in financial inclusion while 90% in skill development. Reliance Industries Limited chief Mukesh Ambani had said that the partnership with Microsoft will be the defining partnership of the decade. As per reports, Reliance Jio has entered into a long-term alliance with Microsoft to accelerate digital transformation with the launch of new cloud data centers. Jio-Microsoft alliance would set up a network of large world-class data centers across India powered by Microsoft's Azure cloud platform, reports added.